China is rapidly modernizing its military. A key part of this is stealth technology. Stealth aircraft are designed to be hard to detect on radar. This gives them a major advantage in combat. China's development of stealth fighters like the J-35 and J-20 shows its commitment to becoming a leading military power. This has significant implications for the global balance of power. China's pursuit of stealth technology is driven by several factors. It wants to protect its airspace from foreign threats. It also wants to project power further afield. The South China Sea is a particular area of interest. China claims sovereignty over most of this strategically important waterway. Stealth aircraft would give China a major advantage in any conflict in the region. The J-35 is China's latest stealth fighter. It is designed to operate from aircraft carriers. This gives China the ability to project power far from its shores. The J-35 is a twin-engine aircraft. This makes it more powerful than the American F-35C, which has one engine. The J-35 is also thought to be more maneuverable than the F-35. The J-35 is still in development, but it has already generated a lot of interest from potential buyers. Countries like Pakistan and Egypt are looking for affordable alternatives to the F-35. The J-35 could be an attractive option for these countries. It offers advanced capabilities at a lower cost. China has been eager to show off its new stealth fighter. It displayed a model of the J-35 at the IDEX 2025 Arms Fair in Abu Dhabi. This was a clear signal to the world that China is open for business. China is hoping to export the J-35 to countries in the Middle East, Africa, and Asia. The J-35's appearance at IDEX 2025 was a major marketing opportunity for China. It allowed China to showcase the aircraft's capabilities to potential buyers. China is hoping to position the J-35 as a more affordable and readily available alternative to the F-35. But the J-35 and the F-35 are both fifth-generation stealth fighters. This means they are designed to be difficult to detect on radar. They also have advanced avionics and weapon systems. However, there are some key differences between the two aircraft. The F-35 was designed to be a multi-role fighter. This means it can be used for a variety of missions, such as air-to-air combat, ground attack, and electronic warfare. The J-35, on the other hand, is designed primarily for air-to-air combat. This difference in mission focus is reflected in the two aircraft's designs. Section 5. Unmasking the differences, design and capabilities. The F-35 has a single engine and a distinctive delta wing design. The J-35, on the other hand, has two engines and a more traditional swept wing design. The F-35 is also smaller and lighter than the J-35. This gives it a better thrust-to-weight ratio, which means it can accelerate faster and turn tighter. However, the J-35's larger size allows it to carry more fuel and weapons. It also has a longer range than the F-35. The J-35's twin engines also give it an advantage in terms of survivability. If one engine is damaged, the aircraft can still fly on the other engine. Section 6. The J-20 Beast Mode. Unleashing the Dragon's Fury, the J-20 is China's other fifth-generation stealth fighter. It is a larger and more advanced aircraft than the J-35. The J-20 is designed for air superiority missions. This means it is designed to engage and destroy enemy aircraft. The J-20 has a Beast Mode configuration. In this configuration, the J-20 can carry up to 16 air-to-air missiles. This gives it a significant firepower advantage over other fighters. The J-20's Beast Mode is a clear sign of China's growing military might. Section 7. A new era of aerial warfare, implications of China's stealth advancements. China's development of stealth aircraft has significant implications for the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. It gives China a credible deterrent against the United States and its allies. It also allows China to project power further afield. China's stealth aircraft are a major challenge to US military dominance in the region. The US has long enjoyed air superiority in the Asia-Pacific. However, China's stealth aircraft are changing the game. To Section 8. The United States responds a race for technological superiority. The United States is not standing still in the face of China's military modernization. The US is investing heavily in new technologies such as hypersonic weapons and artificial intelligence. The US is also developing new tactics and strategies to counter China's growing military might. The US is also working to strengthen its alliances in the region. The US is committed to maintaining its military edge over China. The US sees China as a pacing threat. This means that the US is tailoring its military investments and strategies to counter China's capabilities. Section 9. The future of stealth, a global power play. The development and proliferation of stealth aircraft is a major trend in modern warfare. Stealth technology is becoming increasingly important as countries seek to gain an advantage on the battlefield. The competition between the United States and China is driving the development of new stealth technologies. The future of stealth is likely to be characterized by continued innovation and competition. Countries will continue to invest in stealth technology to maintain their military edge. The global balance of power will be shaped by the ability of countries to develop and deploy stealth aircraft.